NORAD suspected Rudolph would lead Santa's sleigh over the Pacific Ocean, and that's exactly where they are. If you thought that Santa wouldn't make his way to all the little islands of the Pacific, then think again. He absolutely loves making these stops because he gets to warm up a little and smell the beautiful fragrances of each island. Santa's always looking for additional places to vacation on his off-season. For NORAD Track Santa, I'm U.S. Army Major Mike Humphreys.